Hey everyone, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use Kajabi to create, design, and sell your very own online course, even if you've never used Kajabi before. If you're a coach, teacher, consultant, or content creator looking for a reliable platform to host and monetize your knowledge, Kajabi is one of the best tools out there. It's an all-in-one platform that helps you do everything from building your website to delivering your course content, marketing funnels, and collecting payments all in one place without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll guide you through creating your first product, uploading and organizing your lessons, designing your course layout, creating a sales page, and tons of other interesting things. Also, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for Kajabi. To begin, head over to kajabi.com and sign up for a free trial. Alright, so now that I'm inside, I'll give you a quick overview of what you see on the dashboard and where everything's located. So first you've got Get Started, which is where we are right now. This just gives you a quick setup guide. It walks you through things like building your audience, personalizing your site, adding business details, and creating a waitlist. Then right here on your left-hand menu, you can see Dashboard. So this is your home base. It shows you a snapshot of your business. Then next you've got products. So this is where your courses, coaching programs, and digital products are stored. Yeah, so you've got all products, courses, coaching, community, podcasts, and the rest. And next you've got sales. So under sales, you manage everything related to offers and payments. So you've got coupons, cards, invoices, and the rest. And you've also got websites. So you can build your pages here, like landing pages, your home page, blog, or thank you pages. The next you've got branded app. If you want your audience to access your content through a mobile app, Kajabi offers a branded app option here. It's great for a more professional, mobile-friendly experience. So right here under marketing, so this is where you set up your email campaigns, automations, and funnels, also known as pipelines. Kajabi gives you tools to grow and nurture your audience all in one place. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is create a new product. And to do that, you just go to Products. Just going to click on Courses. Alright, so we're just going to click on Get Started to create our course. Great, now we're going to enter the title of our course. So I'm calling mine Confident Speaker Blueprint. So I'm just going to type that in. Now you can just add a brief description, and now Kajabi is going to use this piece of information to generate content for you. So it can automatically just suggest some ideas that may be helpful to you. Once you're done, you can click on Next. Now this is where you customize your course's appearance. Here you can change the color. So if you want a different color, you can just adjust it here. Now let's adjust this to white. Now you can also add an image. So you can easily just click on Pick File. This is actually optional. So if you just want something like a picture, you can just come here, get it from your device, or maybe from Google Drive or anywhere else. So once you're done, you can click on Save and then upload the image. Great, it's successfully been uploaded. Yeah, so this has to do with the aesthetic of your course. I believe this looks nice, so let's carry on. Next, you have to decide if your course will be free or paid. In this case, I'll select paid since most creators on Kajabi want to monetize their courses. This also gives us access to using a paywall. Now, if you toggle this on, you can let people preview some parts of the course for free while locking the rest behind a paywall. It's a great way to build trust and give potential customers a taste of your content before they commit. Now to use these features here, you'll need to connect Kajabi Payments or Stripe. If you haven't done that yet, Kajabi will guide you through the steps. Great, so Kajabi has successfully helped you create a course outline. Of course, you can always adjust it. If you want to change this to something else, you can do that, and even add a description here and even an image. And once you're done, you can save the module. Now, the next thing you want to do is customize it. So here you've got some options. You can personalize your active template, pick a new template, or install templates for later. So we're just going to go ahead with this one. Let's just click on Customize. Now, if you'd like to add your logo, you can simply just come to Header. So this appears at the top of every page. You can just come here, scroll down, then you can select an image. and just upload your logo. Then when you go back, you see that you've got other options here. You've got search bar. This allows students to easily search through your course content. Then there's Hero. This is the big banner at the top of your course homepage. It's where you welcome students and make a great first impression. Then you've also got Welcome Buddy. This section is perfect for an introduction message or overview of what learners should expect. Then next you've got Community Widget. If you're using Kajabi's community feature, this lets you show community related or updates or spaces. So if you want to adjust anything, you can come here. You can even add an image too. And then when you come here, so you can see that Kajabi allows you to fully customize your course and make it look polished and professional. So when you come here, you can see the different views. You've got the desktop view, other views here. Then you've even got the mobile view. Now, if you'd like to see how it's going to appear to your customers, you can click on Preview, and this is how it's going to appear. Now, you might notice that you're not able to set a price for your course or coaching call just yet. That's totally normal if you haven't connected your payment method. To fix that, you're going to have to head over to the bottom left of your dashboard and click on Settings, then go to Payments. So right here, you can see that the courses are free, and that's because you haven't updated your payment information. So you're going to have to connect your Kajabi payments, Stripe or PayPal before you can monetize your courses. So to do that, you can go to Settings, then you're going to see Payment Setup. Click on it. So this is where you set up your Kajabi payments. So just click on Get Started and follow the steps, and you'll be done with it. Also, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for Kajabi. Now let's talk a little about offers. So offers let people actually buy your product. It connects your course or coaching program to a price and payment method, and you can create different offers for the same product. So here you've got a limited access product, and then you've got a free one. So you can even make some adjustments. So you can just click on it. So here you've got the offer details. Down here you can give a description, begin access at a specific date, or restrict access to a specific amount of days. Down here you can choose to send a default email to your customer or a custom email to your customers. Or you could even decide not to send an email. Then down here you've got automations. So automations just help you to streamline your workflow. These are the adjustments you could make here. And you could even add an image to your course. Next, you've got customers. So here you've got 0 customers because no one has signed up for your course yet. So once someone signs up, you see the number of customers here. You can even choose to offer certificates for your course. So upon completion of your course, your customers will receive a certificate. To do that, you can just toggle this on, and then you can add the necessary details to your certificate. So ensure that you add a logo. This can't be blank. You can change this if you want to. So that's for certificates. Kajabi also lets you market your courses using pipelines. So these are pre-built funnels with email sequences and landing pages. So you can just go to Marketing. Next, you see Funnels. So to create your funnel, you can just click on Get Started. So this just helps to simplify the relationship between marketing and sales. You can connect landing pages, email campaigns, and more just to guide your audience. You can click on Get Started. So here you can see your pre-built funnels. So Kajabi just makes it easy for you. You don't have to start everything from scratch. You can just pick one. It could be waitlist. It could be a freebie funnel or even a product launch funnel. So if you're not sure how to use it, you can easily just click on Show Me How, and Kajabi just guides you through the process. For instance, if you're going for product launch, you can just click on Get Started, name your funnel, and then just select an offer. So these are the offers we created already. So you can just select one and connect it to your funnel. Now, if you'd like to track sales, page views, email open rates, lesson completion rates, you can easily just come to Analytics, and it just gives you an overview of everything. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up and run your course on Kajabi. And don't forget, if you want to follow along with me, you can check out the link down below in the description and sign up for a free 14-day trial for Kajabi. Thank you for watching.